Hi, today we're looking at how to record a video. I'll be recording the screen here to show you exactly the process. First of all, we might go down to the notebook software and open that up. This is the same software you'll be using for your interactive whiteboard. And we can have a screen here, as we can see, and we can click anywhere on the screen and start typing. So I might show you how it's done. How to make a video. Okay, when we make a video, it's best to have little sections of text separately done, because we want to sort of select different ones at different times. I'll show you how that works. But anyway, if we want to get a new page happening, we'll just click this Add Page button here. And what we'll do is, I guess, get some steps here to make a video. Step one might be to compile some sort of a list of information, and you can do that on the one page to start with. So I've put that first line in one text box, and if I click off it and then start typing a second one, that'll mean my first item and my second item are separate, which is a pretty good idea. So secondly, keep making your list. So I can make that a bit closer if I wanted to. You can set up this any way you like. And as I go to the third item, I will perhaps put this item as keep each item in its own text box. And the reason for that will be seen later on. Number 4, this is another item. You see I'm a bit stuck for this. If I'm in, I can always edit this, double click on there. So we're just making more and more items here. I'll just do one last one just for fun and call it this is my final item. Okay, cool. Now I might want to, that's all done on the one screen there. I'll just go back to my previous page. I can copy that using a right click, and I can then click forward using that forward button on the top left there, and I could paste that on the top there. So I got my heading. You can often have headings at the very top. You can make them underlined or whatever. Okay, so that's my list there. Now here's the fancy bit with the notebook software, which really lends itself to making videos, and that is that we can clone these pages. This is my second page. This is my first one, how to make a video. My second one has my full list, including the heading there. Now if I clone this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 or 7 times, when you click on there's an item up here which we'll try and get up in your toolbar here called Clone Page. So you could do that, or you could have a look here, and by clicking on that page item there, you get all the pages here, and on here you can clone the page. So either way, clicking on the button up there on your toolbar, or just cloning each of the pages. We want to clone about 5 or 6 of these, and I'll show you how that works. How we're going to use that. So we've got that whole the heading and the 5 lists now on 5 or 6 different pages, all looking the same. So what I'm setting up here is a way of scrolling through and making it easy for your information to just be added to each time. So I'll go to my second page here. As you can see, it's on the left hand side on that view there. So that's my second page. Now I might just want to have the heading there. So I'll click down on left click just down the bottom here, and I'll select all those 5 items. You can see that the text box borders come up here, and I can click delete. Now I will then, that's my second page, which just has the heading on it. Then I can move forward to my third page. I will delete the items 2 through to 5. Then I'll go to the next page and delete items 3, 4, and 5. and this will be a powerful thing in a moment with a very little setup. I'll just then go to the next page and delete items 4 and 5, and the very last time I'll just delete my 5th item. Okay, let's see where we are. So that's the first page, how to make a video, and I improved the heading a little bit on the second page. Then I can click through and just show one at a time the list as it's compiled. And then we're done. Now, if I wanted to not see this on my screen, this bar here, I'll show you in a little while how to get the click view item up, and that'll allow us to just select a certain amount of the screen. The other way we could do it is we go back to the first page there. I can click on that main screen and have that border, all the page listings are not there anymore. And what I can do is use this arrow button on the top left hand corner to click through my screens. So when I'm ready to make my video now, I can go to QuickTime and set up the screen recording, and I'll be just starting to talk. So, how to make a video. This is my heading today. That's what we're looking at, how to make a video. Now, step 1 might be to compile a list of information, and now that information can be science-based or maths-based or whatever you're making the video about. It could be how to bake a cake or something like that. Now we keep making your list, all on the one screen. And then we can click through. So that way your students can have the concept title at the top and have all the information appear gradually at your timing and you can chat your way through each item and make a video that way. Pretty basic way of making it, but it's pretty powerful. So there we have it, how to make a video using notebook software. Now I'll have to let you know how to record that on the screen there, but that's the basics of how to set up your notebook for video purposes. So I hope that helps, and we'll add to that instruction as we go. Thanks for listening.